ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಸಂದೇಶ ಹೋದರೆ ಬನ್ನಿ
There were no cars, nothing. They used to travel, go for yatras by walk or maximum bullock carts or horses like that. So they had 2 horses. So wife told, since your parents are old, they will sit on the horse and I cannot walk this much. Pundalik still supported his wife, saying, no, they are very used to hard work. They can walk. They are used to that. So you sit on the horse and then we will go like that. So Pundalik and the wife sat on the horse. Parents were walking and they started the yatra like that. For days together, they used to walk. Those times there were no hotels and all, but there were some ashrams on the riverside where they used to stay, take shelter, have food, do bhajan aarti, and then again carry on for the yatra. Like that, days passed. Much. Pundalik still supported his wife. Same thing happened, and then he thought, I will ask today. Once the 3 Matajis were leaving, he told Mataji, my prayers to you, can you please tell me, I saw you 3 coming with so much of dirt on your clothes and your hands and all, but now when you are going, you are so sparkling white saris. So who are you 3? They looked at each other and then one of them spoke. We are rivers Ganga, Jamuna, Saraswati. And we always come to this ashram because there is a reason. People take bath in our waters and all their sins and bad karmas we are taking over. And over the day we take over and we become so dirty with all the sins we are taking over, all the bad karmas. So we come to this Kukadmunish ashram who is like father for us, and we do all our duties as a duty to our father, and that's how all this what we are taking over on us gets melted away, it's washed away, and we become pure again to serve manhood again in the next day. And then they told, you are also one of the most sinful person because what you are doing to your parents is not at all good. Your parents are getting hurt with your behavior, your mind, what you are having towards them. And then he told, his eyes were with tears. He was like, oh, this is what I'm really doing. He realized it, that I'm doing wrong to my parents. Then he asked what I can do. Then they explained that please resume your duties towards your parents. He realized how wrong he was doing, and he went to his parents, and then the journey towards home started. He made them sit on the horse. They reached their village after a few days of travel, and that day onwards Pundalik decided, I will serve my parents as the most important duty. And gradually his wife also accepted it. Initially it was difficult for her because she has been taking a lavish life all these years where her mother-in-law was serving her, but now she has to realize how
Panduranga, Hari Panduranga, Panduranga, Jaya Panduranga, Vithala Panduranga, Hari Panduranga, Parade Vanavina Leela Sudigan, Nirudayane Kodu Panduranga, Pankara Joro Panduranga, Nidhidanta Pankara Joro Panduranga, Pankara Joro Panduranga, Panduranga, Hari Panduranga, Panduranga, Hari Panduranga, Panduranga, Pankara Joro Panduranga, Jai Jai Vithala Panduranga, Jaya Hari Vithala Panduranga, Vithopanige Priya Tulsi Hara, Vithopanige Priya Tulsi Hara, Ali Bhakta Janara Vyapara, Vithopanige